Hi friends, my name is Zeenath K J, founder and managing partner of Wings Training Solutions. And I welcome you all to Love for English series of videos. In this video, we're going to talk about how to avoid using the word very and replace it with appropriate vocabulary. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, whenever somebody is really angry, we always say, I'm very angry, you're very angry, she's very angry, they're very angry. Instead of that, why not use the word furious and say, I am furious right now. Please don't talk to me. My mom is furious. She wouldn't allow me to come back home. So please replace the word very angry with furious. Very beautiful. So instead of saying she's very beautiful, this is a very beautiful house, why not use the word gorgeous? She's gorgeous. Leela is gorgeous. Smita is gorgeous, which again means very beautiful for sure. Very big. We always tend to use this. It's a very big house. It's a very big problem. It's a very big issue. Instead of using the word very big, why not say it's a huge house? I've come across a huge problem. We are going to get into a massive issue. See, it's going to sound something different for the ears of the listener for sure. Very boring. How many times we tend to use this? The movie was very boring. The party is very boring. This person is very boring. Why not replace that word by using the word dull? It's a dull party. Such a dull person I've ever come across in my life. A dull movie, very noisy. Sometimes when the vehicles are moving or children are actually playing, it's too noisy. We tend to use this word very noisy. Why not replace that word with deafening? It is so noisy that it can make you a deaf. That's the meaning of deafening. It's deafening. The traffic is deafening. The honking on the road is deafening. The sound of band baja is actually deafening. So deafening means very noisy. Very poor. Whenever we come across a person who doesn't have money or a place to stay or food to eat, we always say, oh, he's very poor. She's very poor. Why not replace that word with destitute? They are destitutes, means they are the poorest I've ever come across in my life. Very poor, destitute. Very creative. We tend to use these words on students, on children. Very creative person I've come across in my life. Very creative painting. Instead of that, why not say an innovative person, an innovative painting for sure? Very creative, innovative. Very crowded. When there are too many people in the place where you are, you always tend to say it's a very crowded place, right? So instead of that, why not say bustling? Such a bustling place I've ever come across in my life. Usually when you visit railway stations or bus stations, they are bustling. It's too crowded all the time. So instead of saying too crowded or very crowded, why not say it's bustling? The railway station is bustling. The waiting area is bustling. Very crowded, bustling. Very dear. Yes, we might not tend to use this word quite often in our daily conversation. But yeah, if you come across anything as such in the future, you know what to do. Simple. Replace it with the word cherished. Very dear, cherished. Very deep. We always tend to use this word when we come across a person who has deep knowledge or who knows everything about something, whom we usually tend to call as an expert or an adept person. So that's where you can replace the word very deep with profound. She has profound knowledge. He has profound knowledge in mathematics. We have profound knowledge in science. Very deep, profound. Very empty. Very empty. Sometimes your mind can be very empty. Sometimes a place can be very empty. So, whenever you come across anything extremely empty, too empty, or very empty, which you tend to use in your daily conversation, left, right, and center, why not replace that word with desolate? Such a desolate place. I feel desolate inside. Very empty, desolate. Very excited. You can be very excited to watch a movie, you can be very excited to visit a place, you can be very excited to attend a party, right? Why not replace the word very excited with I'm thrilled to watch the movie, we are thrilled to go on a trekking, she's thrilled to get married. Very excited, thrilled, very smart. We'll have to use this word very too much. So instead of that, why not just call the person intelligent? She is intelligent. He is intelligent. We are definitely intelligent. Very smart, intelligent. The second word is very sad. We use this too quite often. So why not replace it with the word sorrowful? She seems sorrowful. He sounds sorrowful. We are certainly sorrowful because we did not achieve what we wanted to achieve. Very sad, sorrowful, very upset. You can be upset about anything. So, whenever you're too upset or very upset, you can definitely use the word distraught. I'm distraughted. She's distraughted. We are distraughted. Very upset, distraught. Very cold. Usually, when you visit places like Bihar, Jharkhand, or Rajasthan, or Kashmir, usually very cold. So, can we just settle with that word very cold all the time when we are talking about a place which is extremely cold, where you experience extreme cold? No, not needed. Why not use the word Rajasthan is freezing right now? I can't tell you how freezing it is here. Very cold, freezing. Very bright. When something looks extremely bright, you can easily replace that word with luminous. Luminous. Very bright. The room looks luminous. The place is luminous. Her future is luminous. Very bright, luminous. Very busy. You can replace this word very busy easily with I'm swamped. Or you can even say I'm occupied. In other words, you're too busy with one or the other task for sure. My mom is usually swamped with household chores. My brother is always swamped because he works like a donkey. Very busy, swamped. Very bad. I think you need a better word for this word. Very bad. It's so awful. The situation looks awful. The makeup is awful. The movie was awful. Very bad, awful. Very careful. Nowadays, because of a lot of crimes taking place in different parts of the country, definitely I think the word what I'm going to give it to you all going to be very, very useful. Why not replace the word very careful with be cautious? You are expected to be cautious. Ask him to be cautious as he's going to drive overnight. Very careful, cautious. Very clear. Why not use a different word for very clear? Usually, when something is extremely clear, you can use two words. Either you can say obvious or you can say accurate. It's obvious now, means it's very clear now. Your words are accurate, means your words are very clear. Very clear, obvious, or accurate. Very colorful. When something looks extremely colorful, you can actually say vibrant. Your scooty looks vibrant. Your clothes look vibrant. Your room looks vibrant. Very colorful, vibrant. Very confused. When you are extremely confused, you can actually use a word called perplexed. You can use this in your daily conversation too. You can say, I'm perplexed. I don't know what to do. My friend was perplexed right before her wedding. Very confused? Perplexed. Well, friends, that's all I've got for all of you in this video. I'm sure all the new words what we have learned throughout the video are going to help you to a greater extent to elevate your vocabulary. I'm going to be back with another video with lots of learning. Until then, please take a great care of yourself and have an amazing time ahead. Thank you so much for watching the video.